Oh, okay. Hopefully this goes well. मम्मी मम्मी
क्या मम्मी मम्मी बोलना
रिव्यू करना है.
बस. ऑर्डर.
Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and this is the family review. अरे देखो. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and this is the family review of the Malayalam movie Home. I'm joined by my father, Papa, and my mother, Mummy.
Hello.
Hi.
And hopefully everyone is audible. New setup, trying something, hopefully works good. And if you like this, hit the thumbs up button so the video is just to more people, and subscribe and the bell icon and all of that stuff.
Actually,
And
room was very mess. That's why we are here.
great start, guys. Nona Prince roast begins. There was a lot of demand by a lot of comments I got that you want parents review for this movie, and as I said in my review also, and I saw a lot of other reviews, I said in my review also, it's not a perfect film, it's not the best film of the year, it's something like that. It's a very relatable, heartwarming film. Really enjoyed it. Who want to go first?
I think ladies first.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
So how was the movie?
Because it's home.
Yeah, it was not home. It was my home. Very good movie. Amazing movie. And I like very much.
Yeah, it's a family drama. Relatable, emotional moments, laughable moments, light moments.
Oh, he was laughing.
Yeah,
Oh my
I was
God.
laughing like anything. And then some curiosity, knowing what was the extraordinary thing Oliver has to tell. So all these things were there. Yeah.
Yeah, they watched it twice.
Twice.
Yeah. So
And
up
the
to
second time
yeah.
it was more interesting. Because in first time we are reading captions also. But second time it was very good to see. Really enjoyed every moment after that.
Yeah, as a whole, it's a complete, we can say, package of all the emotions or all the characteristics of a film. So we can say it's a good drama, good family film, and I would recommend everyone to show their parents, even if they are not from Malayalam background. Everybody should see this film.
Yeah, even like if it's a Malayalam film, it's still very relatable to
Yeah,
Yes,
very,
everyone.
very
Yes.
nice.
It is relatable to every home.
And
Yes, every
we
home.
can learn a lot from this film.
Yeah.
Because we are not only parents, we are also children of our parents.
Basically, there are three generations, and the generation of Oliver, he has to balance on the both sides with his father and with his family. So that is a very good thing. Balancing a family is his priority. In other words, I would say, for a father, his son or his child is young, even if he is 55-year-old. For child, his father is always a hero, and he can do even he's a 80-year-old.
He has to do.
Yeah,
He has to
yeah. Means he believes that he has a strength, even if he is 80-year-old. It's a human psychology, nothing else. Yeah.
Very relatable to you.
Yeah, very relatable, because my ailing father is with me, and I can understand how to manage the family.
And I would have brought my grandfather also, but he doesn't want it. And if you hear a bell, that means he's calling us, so we may have to pause and go check on him. And also if we are sweating because there's fans are turned off and there's no AC because we want a better sound quality. Anything relatable to your life?
Yeah. Yes. The
Time for
YouTuber,
the roast to begin.
YouTuber son.
Yeah.
It was relatable. And you know, the mess in your room, every time, do something, clean your surrounding. No.
Your
not at
room
all.
is your mind. It should be clean.
Yeah, it should be clean. And otherwise, we have to go to the psychologist to clean our mind.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, so many things were there. The mother is always doing everything for everyone. I was also relate with that mother also. Because mother have no issue. If she want to say anything, she can do. And the children can hear everything. But if father will say anything, that time it is a problem. So
Yeah, that is true. Father says something, it hurts like deep inside, but mother, like, arey, she always doesn't matter.
Because that is a routine. Whenever your mother, she tells you in routines. And father,
Once-
in a rare case,
One
in
time
rare
is
case,
okay,
yeah,
enough.
in rare case, and that is sufficient for the year.
because we are spending so much time with them from the beginning, so much time, even when you were kids. तो किसको बोलें?
We take you for granted. Arey,
Yeah,
mother
yeah,
keeps saying anything. But what about your childhood? Same?
No, we were we cannot deny our father if he has told us something to do, and even we could not go to play if he has heard the sound of my father. At that time, he was having a Yazdi motorcycle, and if we have heard the sound wherever we are. We have to reach the home before coming to before he comes to the home. Now I'm 55, so we can say in these years how the things has been changed.
I think the most relatable scene was when Oliver shouts at his father for not telling him about him urinating in the room, and then he goes back to him and I'm sorry. I've seen that happen so many times.
So many times.
Like he'll shout at him, grandfather, and then he'll go to him and console him. Okay, don't worry, it's all right.
I'm also tired. What to do? You just think
So
about
really,
me.
so we have to remind him that I am also now
Old age.
that age, not old age, but
Not old,
on declining side of the age. Yes.
And that dialogue is so good when Oliver says, I'm weaker than you. No, I'm not.
Yeah, same
Yes,
thing.
yes, yes.
Even doctors said like this. Your father is more healthy than you.
Yes.
But really, I like in Malayalam movies especially how they can understand these are the problem of everyone's and they are making film on it. It is very
That is a
good
great
thing.
thing.
Daily family life, how it is affected with different equations.
You mean to say that how they are converting the everyday experience into the movie.
Yeah,
So that
this
is
is
a
the
great
great
thing
thing.
in Malayalam movie. Yes.
Capturing the reality of life.
Yeah.
So,
but
I like
I have
that.
seen somewhere exaggerated thing. Few things are not relatable to our family. But I would not say that is not there. So that may be there, but we could not relate those things like his son is asking his younger son is asking him to clean his scooter, or he's not coming out of the car to open the gate. So these things we cannot relate with our family.
Now the technology is really very upgrade. So we should upgrade our parents also. But it is not like this. Children are always saying, what to do? आप क्या करोगे? आपको क्यों करना है? There are so many things. How you can learn? So this is very bad thing. And sometimes it happened to me also, na?
No, actually,
But not in that way कि you what to do. आपको खुद से सीखना है, आप कर सकते हो, आप करो. Sometimes we are not very friendly with all these things ना. तो please do for me. But that time they become very smart.
There is something
Especially-
which the movie has taught. The movie has taught that if you want to change something in your life, you have to do it by yourself. The father wanted change, he did it by himself. You can.
We
you
don't
get some-
endorse anything the cameraman is saying behind the camera, but it's his or her views.
He's a horror. Anyone can understand this. Whatever. So what I'm saying is, what the movie, the actual, the base of the whatever we call it, is that for everyone, it's their own life they have to handle. It's their own, choices they make and everything. Even the son, the elder son, Oliver Twist. Anthony. He had everything was going wrong with him. The problem was he himself. The moment he realized something, he made the changes, it happened. The moment Oliver realized, okay, there's some issue and I have to change it, it happened. The grandfather realized, okay, I'm sitting there. He started whatever he used to say, he started typing. He made the change, things happened.
Okay, I'm disagree with it. When when you
Guys,
were
enjoy.
when you were small, you don't want to do maths. So if you are not want to do, so we have to leave. No,
That is
But-
the difference between parents and kids.
No, there is no
Parents give
difference.
birth to their kids
there
with a
is
dream.
no.
What is
There
happening?
is no difference. There is no difference. Same thing parents did with the kids. If they are not
I'm not saying
doing
the kids should
anything,
not help the parents and everything, but the parents have to make the first effort. That is the difference between a child and a parent.
But only thing is sometimes children they are eager to teach the new things to the parents. If parents are not interested in accepting those changes, then children cannot do.
Change can
Yeah,
happen only
you
on
have to
its own.
accept.
That time-
Accept. I have to go for change. So for that you can go for the change, or your children can make the
that two
you
things are
understand the
different.
changes.
That is difference. But I'm just saying the parents can answer each and every questions during childhood. Then why, if parents are asking some question, then why children can't answer them?
That is correct.
Yes.
But the parents have to ask.
Yes, I'm just saying this only. They have to ask if they are asking. I'm not saying कि जबरदस्ती उनसे क्वेश्चन करवाओ. If they are asking, then only.
Let us come to the picture only.
Yeah.
This is the picture.
So argument is there, the family argument.
Hashtag home.
Guys, let us know in the comments, you are team parent or team children. We'll decide through the comments. But coming to the movie and your favorite moments, you were laughing on the scene where Oliver was.
Yeah, Oliver, I would say the whole movie revolves around him.
He was the actual hero of the
Yeah,
film.
he is the actual hero of the movie. And the acting wise, he's number one.
Best.
Okay.
Indran's.
Best movie, Indran. He has done, we cannot say, differentiate between Indran, this character. He has done all sort of emotions. He has shown all sort of emotions, sadness, curiosity, how to learn the things. When he is talking to his son, elder son, how he's taking the step back instead of confronting with him. So these things are, and another thing, the best moments, I would say, he has purchased his own smartphone, and when his elder son brought the smartphone him, and when he came to know that was the very, very good moment. And when he was taking the picture of Joseph in the train
Showroom.
in the showroom, that was
The whole
yes.
situation, it was really very.
And even when Oliver was gonna tell his wife that I got a phone and she's first started the mixie,
yeah,
then
she's busy in her own chores. Yeah. He want to hug his kids, his elder son, but he never allow, or some situation were there, and it was very pinching my heart.
When our parents wanted to talk to us when we were young, we had our own priorities, so we were not giving them the time that we can talk to them for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But now we can understand, when we are at this age, we can understand what is the need of that 5 minutes or 10 minutes
For the parents.
for the discussion or something, whatever in their mind they want to tell you. So that thing now we can understand at this age, but when we were young we could not understand at that time. So this is the teaching from the movie, that whenever your parents want to tell you something, give some time to them, understand
minutes is
their
very
feelings,
important.
understand their feelings and what they want to tell.
I think break to. I'm also the makeup dada.
One thing I want to say, each and every person, they are imperfect. And if they are imperfect, it means no, they are bad. It can be. And we just think about our parents, they always should be good. Every time they behave a very good person, we always affected by their behavior. But this is not correct. After watching this movie, I realized that they can do something wrong. They can behave weird. No problem. If we are not with them, we are not helping them to understand the new things, whatever they want to ask, then why we are saying you are doing wrong? So they have a right to do wrong. He always think about his father, the elder one. No need to tell anything to him. And he always want to ask to him what is he is doing, how he is doing, what is his work, but he never reply or never interested to give the answer. And it was really it was on the face of Oliver Twist.
Yes, we can relate it now. We can relate it here.
In defense, guys. When he has his own tensions in life, right? I have my own tensions. There's a thing, I want to share it. And then there's a thing, I don't want to bother him. So when he's asking me what's up, what's happening, I don't want to bother him. Like, nothing is happening. It's all okay. Let's not, I'm already, things are going in my mind. Let's
that is
not.
okay.
Maybe,
that is okay.
maybe.
But we have gone through the life and we have the experience. Maybe we have some sort of solution for the.
That's not the issue. It's not about getting the solution. It's about, I don't want to give you that
Extra tension.
extra tension and something to, okay, you're also thinking about, oh, okay, he's going with something, what will happen now, because I know you'll get tense. So it's better I'll keep it to myself. If it's really something I really need help, and I'll come and talk, but
Okay.
unnecessary, I don't want to give tension.
Yeah, but in family, things should be shared.
Yeah, I think without
Things should be
bothering,
Shareable things should be shared.
everything should be shared. There is no mystery, nothing will be there.
Conditions apply.
Anything else?
Yes, one thing, two characters which we could not mention here, that is Katiyamma.
Kutiyamma.
Kutiyamma, yes.
Kutiyamma.
Very good acting by Meera. What her name?
Manju Pillai.
Manju Pillai. Great acting. Yes, great character. And then Charles. Wow. He has acted better than Anthony. Yes, I liked him very much. Character of Anthony was something like that. He was shy or something like. He was not so much interested in
Introvert type, like, no?
yes. He was not open, but still the Charles has taken over him. He was better than
But
Anthony.
his
yes.
behavior now, whenever he is with his father-in-law and the relation with the father, that was really very disturbing. Not like this.
Character of Priya, I could not understand her role in whole movie. Could not relate her where she what are her acting and what she wanted to tell, and
They did not explore her character. What was she
yeah.
giving
So
to
basically,
story?
the whole movie was centered at the 5 people of one home. So that maybe that is the reason that Priya could not be done so much. But I had not seen much of the acting from Priya.
Now, actually, now they want father-in-law. So how without Priya, father-in-law will be there? That's why
I think
Priya was there.
the thing is, you guys are old. You will not understand her character.
No, father-in-law relation they should
that
they
is
have
good,
to
good relation.
show, na.
Yeah,
so
that-
Priya is needed there. Without Priya, no father-in-law will be there.
They
That's
just didn't
why.
explore her character that much.
Yeah.
Like, the Oliver's friend was explored.
Yeah.
The psychologist was
Yeah,
explored. The
psychologist was very good.
Sweeper was explored.
Yeah.
So these characters were given their own nuances, but Priya had like there was nothing as such we could see, like why if her character was not there and was said okay she's somewhere abroad and this is the father-in-law, it would still would have been like okay.
And the best moment for the film, I would say, one is when Anthony hug his father and have a kiss, and second is.
Arey.
And the second is when Oliver is in conversation with Vishal. That clip is
The actor, yeah.
Yeah, this was a
That is a
mind
great-
the
great
best
moment.
moment for
Best
me.
moment.
When he entered the that
Room.
That room, not room. It is.
that is bus
Caravan.
basically.
Not caravan.
Makeup
यार.
van.
अरे यार.
Makeup.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको वैन कौन सी वैन होती है वो
अरे.
Vanity van.
Vanity van.
हाँ when father entered vanity van and with the conversation with the Vishal, oh my god, that time. And when Anthony entered, just realized father is inside and how he's sitting like this and
We feel full confidence.
full confidence. Oh, I love that moment. And he was looking so confident, so good. And it was the mind-blowing scene. That was the best moment of the film.
Okay, coming to the ending of the film.
I think ending is okay, but in the second part, second half of the film, it was somewhat stretched. So that was the thing. Otherwise, ending is okay.
Whenever I was feeling, wow, now he will do something. The moment when the father was washing car now, and the younger son was watching, and he just saw and realized something. So I thought now he will come and help the father. But suddenly he gave the key, wash my
Bike also.
bike. Oh my god, that was really, I slapped him.
Yes,
Not me.
Yeah, to him
I
only.
slapped him in my mind.
Yeah, I slept in my mind also. And another thing, when the father Oliver thought the phone order for him, he was talking with Priya कि phone is for father-in-law. So angry that time. Father-in-law की पड़ी है, father के लिए नहीं. But after sometimes when really he gave the phone, and then I realized, oh, I was thinking so much. He was thinking for his father also.
There's definitely, I think, 2-3 moments where they subvert the expectations. One is when the he live streams all of it, and then when he gets to know it was all live streaming, he just he doesn't shout anymore. He's like, okay, did I say anything about Vishal also captured? And he just walks away, and that's the interval scene. And that's I was expecting something else, and they didn't do that.
But when I live stream now, after that the expression on the face of the Oliver Twist was really very genuine.
He is a great actor. Whenever there was something happening, his expression was changing every time.
Yes. No, he was doing something wrong. Something happened wrong. But still we are with him only. We are not with anybody else. And one more thing. When they were time of the book... launch the book, and the mother telling the story, same story, what the Oliver Twist told to his son. That time we are just thinking, speak, he is my father. But he denied.
I love that scene.
But we realized no, he should say something. But after that, when they came to their house, so that time we relieved. It's okay, it's good कि वहाँ सबके सामने नहीं बताया. Better later he told everything. So it was very good. And then he realized कि maybe each and everyone's parents may be in our क्या बोलेंगे, हमारी तरफ, हम अपनी तरफ से सोचे हैं कि they are ordinary person, but no, nobody is ordinary on this earth. Everybody is important, extraordinary.
Yes,
only we have to realize it.
Okay guys, so that was it. I'm sweating so much. And any final thoughts?
Yeah, it's a good movie and a good review given by Nona Prince. So give a thumbs up to him.
Thank you so much. And each and every time I'm eager to watch more movies, especially in Malayalam, Tamil also. And it's
Malayalam.
Yeah.
Wow.
So thank you so much.
Guys,
and,
they read every comment they read on all the videos, so be careful.
Yeah. Yeah, we are reading everyone.
She watched Mara, guys. I told her not to watch it. Watch Charlie first, but she saw Mara and she's saying she loved it. Now, should I show her Charlie? Let us know in the comment. And what other movies they should watch. She's always watching something. He's particular. He only watches the best of the best. So let us know what other films they should check out. The YouTube channel membership is live. You can check out different tiers and their perks. To know more, click on the join button. For latest updates, check out the community tab. And yes, this was my home. With the camera woman. So everyone,
like,
share and subscribe.
एक साथ.
No, this is the best. This is the best. Like the movie. This is the best. Let's end it here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.